tumepanga mambo ya kuwa na chanjo.
Ishaini kuhe President William Ruto dahotete kuhitha moru make maria koretwo kerekeria kuri aria mararegana na mifango yake kwa muhiano uheani wa njanjo kuri mahiu aria erega kugania andu matari no menyo
kwa familia.
Ni mĩario ithiĩte na mbere kũraraka atongoria amwe a mwena wa mũng'ethanĩro arĩ ni hamwe na mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa DAP-K Eugene Wamalwa makiuga ĩno nĩ mĩario ya gũthutũkania ndũrĩrĩ imwe.
You ought not to tell us how educated you are, how endowed you are. We only need to see what you have done and the people you have touched.
Kwa ziara zao siku 4 Northern Kenya, tumeanza kusikia wakiongea juu ya jamii ya Wakamba, wakisema wale watu wa Ndengu. When you start profiling communities, mkianza kuita jamii majina, mnaanza kutenganisha nchi. The president under Article 131 is a symbol of national unity.
Marigogona iniria mathiko kaunti-ini ya Kitui atongoria aya matongoretio ni Kalonzo Musyoka maugite no nginya a Kenya mambiririe kuria ciuria hoka ni maundu matarataukwo magiukirira thirikari ni gutindikiriria muingi witikire mifango itiganite.
Kalonzo alimwambia ukweli juu ya chanjo za ng'ombe. Na bwana Mweke, you are young man, unatoka sehemu hii. Kama Ruto hajui kuna ng'ombe Ukambani, wewe mwambie wewe unatoka Ukambani na unajua kuna ng'ombe huko.
We must fix and resist those things that are not understandable to us, like the vaccination. The PS was here and he was not able to explain the vaccination. All what he tells you is that the vaccine has been manufactured by Kenya doctors. He cannot substantiate, he cannot explain, and therefore resist.
Itua ria igoti ria gukindira mwena wa mũng'ethanĩro Azimio nio aingĩ bunge-inĩ ya bũrũri ni ũndũ atongoria aya matugĩrĩtie makiuga rĩrĩ nĩ itua rĩa gũthondeka mweke wa kũgarũra mĩtaratara ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩkĩhatĩrĩria a Kenya ta mũbango wa SHA.
Azimio la Umoja One Kenya is a majority party, and I've spoken to Raila Odinga, I've spoken to Uhuru Kenyatta. On Wednesday we want our PG ya Azimio after you guys have met on Tuesday. Ndio tupange na wale ambao walikuwa wanaimba praises ya Ruto na nini, I'm sure you're feeling rather awkward. Mungegojea tu,
hatutangojea weta tuonyeshe mahali tutakaa. Tunajua bunge mahali majority wanafanya nini, kwa hiyo tunaenda kufanya nini.
Sasa hii ruling ambayo imefanywa inaonyesha we are the majority, but justice delayed is justice denied. Wenzetu washaenda na sisi tunasema we will not cry over spilled milk. Tuataka sasa tujipange, we build a new super alliance ambayo italeta super majority, ambayo italeta serikali mpya, ita reverse NHIF.
Rĩrĩ nĩ itua ritanyĩtwo kũgarũrania maũndũ bunge-inĩ ya bũrũri. Rĩrĩ bunge ya bũrũri ĩrĩgĩrĩirwo gũcokereria wa kerĩ kiumia gĩũkĩte.
Even the 4 or 5 ODM cabinet secretaries can even resign. Wakiresign, Wandai was a majority leader, sasa ndio waziri wa Kawe. He must be feeling rather awkward.
Giribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mũmbi Wachege.